In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your website name on Squarespace. If you've recently rebranded or simply want a fresh start with a new website name, updating it on Squarespace is straightforward. Let's dive in and walk through these steps, ensuring your website reflects your current vision. First, log into your Squarespace account and navigate to your website's dashboard. Here, on the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. From this menu, go ahead and click on Website. This will take you to a list of your website pages. For this task, you can select any page, but let's keep it simple by choosing your home page. Once you've selected your page, you'll notice a site preview window open up. In the top left corner of this window, there's a button labeled Edit. Click on this to open up the Fluid Engine Page Builder. This is the tool you'll use to make changes to the layout and content of your site. With the page builder open, move your cursor to the very top of the page. You're looking for the header area, the space where your website's name or logo is typically displayed. Hover your cursor over this header area until you see an option pop up that says Edit Site Header. Click this button to proceed. Now that you're in the site header, you'll need to click directly on your current website name or the logo placeholder. This action will trigger a small contextual menu to appear. Within this menu, you'll see a pencil icon labeled Site Title and Logo. Click on this icon to move forward. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where you can edit the details of your site's title and logo. To change your website name, look for the field labeled Site Title. You'll see your current website name displayed here. Simply delete the old text to clear it out. Then type in your new website name. Make sure it's exactly how you want it to appear, as this is the name that will greet all your visitors. Once you've entered your new site name, remember to review it for any spelling mistakes or formatting issues. This is a crucial step because your website name is one of the first things your visitors will notice. After you're satisfied with the new name, you can go ahead and close the editing panel. To finalize the change, make sure to save your work. Look for a Save button, often found in the top right corner of the page, and click it. This will update your website with the new name. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully changed your website name on Squarespace. It's a simple process that can make a big difference in how your site is perceived. Remember, updating your website name is not just about aesthetics. It's also about aligning your site with your brand's identity and goals. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Squarespace tips and tutorials.